Whether it's a private school such as SMU or TCU or a state university like UT Arlington, a local state representative aims to give students the right to carry concealed handguns on college campuses. It's been discussed before, but CBS 11's Jay Gormley tells us why the measure might have some momentum this time.
In 2004, Michelle Knoll was leading a very unpopular campaign. She believed that UNT students should be allowed to carry concealed handguns on campus. In 2007, just after the Virginia Tech massacre, Michelle began to garner support.
At Virginia Tech, it's the same kind of thing. If someone had been able to stop that student from going into those classrooms, if someone had gotten him after he shot the very first kid, we could have stopped a lot of trouble and a lot of murder.
State Representative Joe Driver of Garland feels the same way. That's why he introduced a bill in Austin that would allow concealed weapons on state and private campuses, providing the owner has a permit.
This time that's why we want it, because you don't want to have a restriction where people have to figure out, oh, is this a private campus, is this a public campus, do I have to step across this line, do I not have the rights to protect myself anymore? And so that's why we're doing it this way.
But many local campuses and their students opposed the bill. Some argue that the Virginia Tech shooting should be a rally cry against such a measure.
Because I don't think it's responsible for students to have weapons. I think that was a problem in the first case with all Virginia Tech and stuff, was kids having weapons. I think we should rely on our police force to do that.
It would make shootouts more common because the guns are they're so readily available if you can carry them.
The measure is gathering steam in the legislature. 11 other state senators and more than 55 representatives have signed on in support of the bill.
And a companion bill has been introduced by a Republican state senator. Meanwhile, Arkansas and Louisiana are looking at similar bills as well. Reporting live near the SMU campus, Jay Gormley, CBS 11 News.